Any ideas what this is? It's really thin. How about if I show it the other way? Let's take a look at this card shop credit card folding safety knife. It's from Sinclair. This is the knife. You also get a booklet with information. This is the version 2 of the card shop. It costs around 400 rupees or around $8 or so. These are the instructions on how to open it. On the back they have given additional info. It was intended as a lightweight surgical knife. It can cut through a tennis ball. It just weighs 14 grams. A regular utility knife which weighs 10 times that. Even the smallest Swami pen knife weighs around 23 grams. This only weighs around 14 grams. This is the safety latch. You have to twist it around. Now it opens up. There are holes here which go into these pins. And it's held tightly, so you get a nice handle. Long enough knife for emergencies. This part is made out of metal, and once you're done, you can just open it and put the safety lock on. And this could easily fit in your purse. Quite nice. Check it out.